morning.
Good morning.
First, can I introduce myself? I am Natalia Leopardi Talatas. And can I see your identity particulars, please?
Yeah.
What's your name?
My name is Harry.
Okay. Okay, Harry. I need to take a blood sample from your today. Are you ready?
I don't like blood. I usually faint when I see blood.
Okay, Harry. I try to make this process as quick as possible. What do you like to talk about? Something to listen to you?
Oh yeah. I was playing music and then music online radio station. I play retro music and it's really fun.
That's great, Harry. I take your blood sample now. Just look away and talk to me about your music.
Okay, so I'm being a DJ for about here now and I'm playing up pretty well. Falling, I love seeing people dance and sing along to the song.
That's amazing, Harry. And this I'm done taking your blood sample.
Oh,